Let's do a speed test on it. What's up, drone pilots? Welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Neil J and I do crazy stuff with FPV drone. I came here today to fly my deep space SEEKER 35 3.5 inch for the first time with the proper battery. Last time I flew it, I had used the 5-inch battery. It was a little bit on the heavy side, so I looked up the recommendation and they say that the best for freestyle experience is to use the 1200 milliamp hour with 150 C. So we're gonna put it up in the air and see how it performs. Today is not a great day to fly because it's been raining on and off, so hopefully it's not gonna rain on me while I'm trying to do that. And before I get into the flight, I just want to say a massive thank you, because if you this channel just hit a huge milestone and got monetized. Literally, this would not happen without your support. So thank you for being part of my FPV journey. Now let's go fly. Ready? Let's go ahead and arm it. Armed, then we acro mode. Let's go. I switched to air mode because the takeoff I want it to be acro mode, just in case if it hits something on the ground, it wouldn't be acting all crazy. Low flying is a lot of fun, y'all. All right, here we comes. We're gonna be sending it. Let's do a dive first. That's my favorite, of course. Nice. It caught itself really good. This is a lot of power, man. This is a lot of power. All right. Let's try another roll. Amazing. Split us here. Very beautiful flying. Let's see if we can do some accuracy kind of flying. Precision. Nice precision right here. There we go. Look at the floating, man. It just kept on floating. This is beautiful. Let's try another one on the other side. Look at that. This is amazing. Amazing. Nice. A lot of power here, lots of power. $370 on the battery, we still good. This is my first time I fly it with this battery. Let's buzz the tower. How much battery do we have? I would like to do a speed test. I haven't tried the speed test yet. Let's do a speed test on it. 98. Wow. I probably hit 100, I'm not sure. Not bad at all. And I still have battery. Look at that. Split us. Was nice split us right there. Okay, 350 in the battery. That's enough. I'm gonna bring it back. I suck at landing still, so hopefully I'll be able to land it on the pad, but we can try. It's been hit and miss. I'm getting better, but not very good. All right. Almost on the pad, or it is in the pad, okay? Here in the pad. This is beautiful, amazing. This is amazing flight. I love it. And the time, it's amazing. This is crazy, y'all. This is the drone that I love the most from all the drones that I have. 5-inch, 3.5, Avara, everything. This is the best of them all. I can tell you, this is a winner. I hope you like my new bag. I like it myself. I can just hang my drone in the back here. And this is how the way it is. I organize my things from inside. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the flight, and I hope you already subscribed. If you haven't, please do. And if you have any question, please leave down below in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.